actually a startup from IIT Bombay, and we are a researcher and a student. And our main USP is to develop the silver-based ink and paste. And we have several products. One of them is our silver conducting ink pen, which works on several substrates. One of them is the paper, which can be used as a educational tool as well as industrial tool to fix the different kind of electrical connection.
So, ma'am, can you tell me a little more about the products you offer? As you told about the pen,
Yes.
can you just tell me a little more about the pen as well and some other products which you offer?
Yeah, so mainly this pen itself is our main technology which we are offering for children as an educational tool. So this pen can be utilized to demonstrate different electrical concepts on a paper in a very user-friendly way. And also as we are using silver, so all the activities which we can do with this pen is at very low voltage. So that's why the children at very younger age can get the exposure of electricity with different activities. So based on this conducting ink pen, we have developed this electricity on paper educational product which is activity based product.
Yeah.
So this is our main product currently, and
Apart from this, we have products like conducting ink pen for electronic repair, then flexible electronics, and which can be used for PCB manufacturing as well. And also we are developing doing R&D for solar PV paste.
So, ma'am, can you tell me which product, like which market you want to cater to and where do you want to venture in with this company?
Yeah, so basically we are targeting right now schools, education industry as well as edtech companies. So because this product is basically kids for 8+ years, so this can be utilized as a part of the school curriculum as well as to for like edtech companies to enhance the hands-on learning of the children's.
So, ma'am, can you just tell me a little more like how much silver is used in your products and what is the quantity of silver you need?
yeah, so we have different product where the quantity of silver is different. So as in case of this pen which we are utilizing for this educational kit, the quantity of silver is within 30%. And for other products like our screen printable page, there it can go up to like 60
to
like
70%, yeah.
And our other paste which can be used for solar application, there the quantity goes up to like 88% like that.
So, ma'am, can you just tell me a little more about the uniqueness of your company and how it is different from your competitors and other companies?
Yeah, so basically this our pen, this is based on the solvent based. What is available in the market as of now, this is based on the water based ink. So as per Indian atmosphere, there is a problem of clogging. It happens like ink gets clogged, it gets dried also. So our pen, this is like first time in India which is based on the solvent type of the ink, and it doesn't clog in any atmosphere. So like you can say that this is weather friendly. And also because we have used silver, once you draw these lines, it dries in like 20 to 30 seconds. And which quickly can be dried and as a wire on the paper. Yeah.
So, ma'am, can you just tell me a little more about the pricing of your products, including the pen
Yeah,
and the silver paste? Maybe will be the same as your competitors or a little less. But can you tell me a little more about the pen and the pricing of it?
Right.
Yeah, so the pricing of pen we have kept like for this pen is like 899 rupees for a piece, and for this educational kit it's like 1500 per piece.
Okay.
And other products it depend on the quantity what they
Right.
buy.
If we have bulk order, then definitely we have a different cost there.
So, is there a longevity to this pen? Like, how long does it work for? How much can you write with it?
So it goes up to like 80 to 100 meter depending on how much pressure you are applying on
Right.
yeah.
Okay, ma'am, thank you so much.